kayo po na matagal na sa public works, I mean, realistically, kung abutin pa po ito, practically po talaga ng habagat season, and then meron kayong target na ASEAN, opo, kung kayo po, kayo po talaga ang tatanungin, doable pa po pa talaga ito, itong pinag-uusapan natin na ito, na rebuild ng EDSA?
Well, not the total rebuild ng EDSA palagay ko. If you are talking about the entire EDSA, then, no, I think we'll have just to prioritize and concentrate on yung mga urgent sections na dapat gagawin. Sabi ko nga, in time for the ASEAN meeting. But yun ang mga ganun strategies that will be coming up very soon. Very considering yung mga weather, upcoming weather situations, and I think yung logistics that we need to prepare. Lahat-lahat ito, I think, tingnan namin kaagad.